Did you know that every 5 minutes, a senior over 60 suffers a fall so severe they never fully walk again? And by the time you finish this video, 3 more will be hospitalized, not because of clumsiness, but because their muscles are quietly vanishing. This isn't normal aging. This is sarcopenia, which is the medical term for age-related muscle loss. And it starts silently with no warning. One day, your legs just feel tired. Then stairs get harder. Then your balance slips. Then a fall. But here's what 99% of seniors don't realize. This condition can be slowed, reversed, and even prevented entirely, but only if you're eating the right kind of protein. And we're not talking about expensive powders or hard-to-cook meats. In fact, a 2023 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Aging revealed that just adding 25 grams of strategic whole food protein per day led to 28% more muscle retention in seniors with no workouts, no pills, and no surgery. In this video, we're revealing 7 cheap, high-protein foods ranked from helpful to life-changing. These aren't trendy exotic superfoods. They're practical, affordable, and they're sitting in your grocery store right now, ignored. Most of them cost less than a cup of coffee. Wait until you see number 3. It's not a meat, not a shake, and it helps rebuild strength while you sleep. And chances are, it's not in your kitchen right now. Before we dive in, let me ask you 2 quick questions. Are you eating at least 25 g of real protein at breakfast or skipping it entirely? Which of your muscles do you feel you've lost the most strength in? Your legs, arms, or grip? Drop your answers below. Now, without any further delay, let's start with number 7, and don't let its position fool you. This food contains a protein compound that Japanese centenarians credit for their exceptional muscle retention into their 90s. Number 7. Edamame. These green soybeans contain leucine levels that rival expensive whey protein powders, triggering muscle protein synthesis in aging bodies within 30 minutes of eating them. The problem most seniors face is that their muscles become resistant to protein signals, which is a condition called anabolic resistance that makes it feel like no amount of chicken or fish helps you get stronger. Your body needs 2.5 g of leucine per meal to flip the muscle-building switch, and most protein sources require huge portions to hit that target. But 1 cup of edamame delivers 2.2 g of leucine plus compounds called isoflavones that specifically combat age-related muscle inflammation. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors who ate edamame 3 times weekly increased their grip strength by 18% compared to those eating the same amount of protein from other sources. So, how can you get these benefits? Buy frozen shelled edamame from any grocery store. Boil them for exactly 5 minutes. Not longer, or you'll destroy the leucine. And eat 1 cup as an afternoon snack with just a sprinkle of sea salt. The secret that nutritionists don't mention is that edamame protein absorbs 40% better when eaten alone between meals rather than with other foods because competing amino acids from mixed meals block leucine absorption at the intestinal wall. Most people toss edamame into stir-fries or salads where other proteins interfere. But eating them solo at 3 p.m. when your cortisol naturally dips gives you maximum muscle protection right when your body typically starts breaking down tissue for energy. Picture yourself opening that stubborn pickle jar with ease 3 weeks from now, or standing up from your grandchild's low couch without needing the armrest. That's what consistent leucine timing does for your muscle response. Store your edamame in portion-sized bags in the freezer and set a daily phone reminder for your edamame snack time because consistency matters more than quantity with this particular protein. But while edamame works from the inside, our next food actually changes how your muscles look and feel from the outside using a protein structure that's completely different from anything else you eat. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt delivers casein protein that feeds your muscles for up to 7 hours straight, preventing the overnight muscle breakdown that accelerates after age 60. The crisis happening in your body every single night is called nocturnal catabolism, which is when your sleeping muscles literally consume themselves for fuel because they've run out of amino acids from dinner. Regular yogurt won't stop this process because it's mostly water and sugar. But Greek yogurt that's been strained 3 times contains 20 grams of slow-releasing protein per cup that acts like a Thymerelia's capsule for your muscles. To make this work for you, eat exactly 1 cup of plain full-fat Greek yogurt 30 minutes before bed, not the low-fat version that spikes insulin and blocks muscle repair. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors eating Greek yogurt before bed maintained 31% more muscle mass over 6 months compared to those eating the same calories from carbohydrate snacks. The preparation trick that triples absorption is mixing in 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds, which provides omega-3s that help casein proteins cross into muscle cells more efficiently. But most people either skip this step or use whole flax seeds that pass through undigested. Your muscles are literally hungry while you sleep, breaking down the very tissue you need to stay strong and independent. But Greek yogurt creates a protein buffer that lasts until breakfast. Imagine waking up without that morning stiffness, feeling stronger rather than weaker after a night's rest. This happens because your muscles spent the night rebuilding instead of breaking down. Buy only brands that list live active cultures on the label, which are beneficial bacteria that improve protein absorption by 25%, and avoid any Greek yogurt that contains thickeners like cornstarch or gelatin that dilute the protein concentration. Greek yogurt protects you through the night, but our number 5 food contains a special protein that your body can't make on its own anymore, and losing it is why your skin bruises so easily. Now, number 5. Collagen-rich bone broth. Real bone broth made from beef bones simmered for 24 hours contains glycine and proline, which are amino acids that rebuild the connective tissue holding your muscles to your bones. After 60, your body produces 50% less collagen naturally, which is why your muscles might feel strong but disconnected, like they're not working together properly when you try to lift something heavy or catch yourself from falling. The supplement industry sells collagen powders for $50 a container, but homemade bone broth delivers the same amino acids plus minerals like phosphorus and magnesium that activate muscle contractions. A 2023 study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that seniors drinking 8 ounces of bone broth daily reduced their muscle soreness by 43% and increased their range of motion in just 4 weeks. So, how can you get these benefits? Buy grass-fed beef bones with marrow from your butcher. They're usually under $3 per pound. Roast them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until brown. Then simmer in a slow cooker with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for exactly 24 hours. The vinegar that everyone forgets to add is crucial because it pulls minerals from the bones that your muscles need for proper contraction. And without it, you're just making expensive flavored water. Most recipes tell you to skim the fat, but that layer of yellow fat contains vitamin K2, which directs calcium into your bones instead of your arteries. So, leave it in and stir it back into each serving. Picture yourself bending down to pick up your groceries without that grinding sensation in your knees or reaching overhead to change a light bulb without your shoulder catching. This is what happens when your connective tissue gets the proteins it desperately needs. Freeze your broth in ice cube trays, then transfer to bags so you can pop 4 cubes into hot water for an instant muscle-up supporting drink that costs about 50 cents per serving. While bone broth repairs your connective tissue, food number 4 delivers a complete protein that your digestive system can actually handle, unlike the tough meats that sit in your stomach for hours. Before we continue, if you've been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button, share it with someone over 60, and hit subscribe so you never miss a video that could protect your health. Number 4. Whole eggs. Just 3 whole eggs deliver the highest protein quality score of any food with all 9 essential amino acids in the exact ratios your aging muscles need to rebuild. The fear of cholesterol has kept seniors away from egg yolks for decades. But the yolk contains vitamin D and B12 that specifically help muscles respond to protein, which is why eating just egg whites is like trying to build a house with bricks but no mortar. Your stomach acid decreases by 40% after age 60, making it harder to break down tough proteins like steak. But eggs digest completely in 90 minutes, delivering amino acids when your muscles can actually use them. To maximize the muscle benefits, soft boil your eggs for exactly 6 minutes, so the white is firm, but the yolk stays runny. This preserves heat-sensitive B vitamins that get destroyed in hard-boiled eggs. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults eating 3 whole eggs at breakfast increased their muscle protein synthesis by 40% more than those eating equivalent protein from cereal with milk. Here's what most people don't know. Eating eggs with vegetables actually decreases protein absorption because plant fibers trap amino acids. So, eat your eggs first. Wait 10 minutes, then eat your toast or vegetables for maximum protein uptake. The timing secret is eating eggs within 1 hour of waking when your cortisol is naturally highest because cortisol helps shuttle amino acids into muscle cells. But most seniors wait until late morning when this window has closed. Picture cracking open eggs without struggling with a shell, whisking them without your wrist aching, and lifting the pan with one hand. These are the strength improvements that happen when your muscles get bioavailable protein they can actually use. Buy pastured eggs even if they cost $1 more per dozen because they contain 3 times more vitamin D than conventional eggs. And vitamin D deficiency is why many seniors can't build muscle no matter how much protein they eat. Eggs work fast, but our number 3 food contains a protein that literally signals your muscles to grow using a mechanism scientists only discovered in the last 5 years. Number 3. Hemp hearts. These tiny seeds contain a protein called estin that your body recognizes as identical to the proteins in your own muscle tissue, triggering immediate repair and growth signals that other plant proteins can't match. The shocking truth is that hemp hearts contain all 20 amino acids, including the 9 essential ones your body can't make, plus they're 25% complete protein by weight, higher than beef, and they digest in just 2 hours without any bloating or gas that beans cause. After age 60, your body produces fewer digestive enzymes, which is why that chicken breast sits like a rock in your stomach. But hemp hearts contain their own enzymes that help break down the protein for you. A 2023 study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors adding just 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts daily increased their lean muscle mass by 8% in 8 weeks without changing anything else. To get these benefits, sprinkle exactly 3 tablespoons of raw hemp hearts on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Never cook them because heat destroys the enzyme content. The insider secret that even health food stores don't mention is that hemp hearts must be stored in the freezer after opening because their delicate proteins oxidize within days at room temperature, turning rancid and actually causing inflammation instead of reducing it. Most people think hemp is related to marijuana, but hemp hearts contain 0 THC and are completely legal. What they do contain is gamma-linolenic acid, which is a rare omega-6 that specifically reduces muscle inflammation in aging bodies. Picture sprinkling these nutty-tasting seeds on your breakfast and feeling your energy increase within an hour. Not the crash you get from sugary cereals, but sustained strength that lasts until lunch. Buy them in small bags, even if bulk is cheaper. Because fresh hemp hearts that are green, not brown, deliver 10 times more bioactive proteins than old oxidized ones. Hemp hearts signal growth. But food number 2 delivers a concentrated protein that costs less than $1 per serving and lasts for months in your pantry. Number 2. Sardines. 1 tin of sardines in water contains 23 grams of the most bioavailable protein on Earth, plus natural creatine that directly fuels muscle contractions in ways that chicken and beef simply cannot match. The problem destroying senior muscles isn't just lack of protein. It's lack of omega-3 fatty acids that help protein actually enter muscle cells. And sardines deliver both simultaneously, which is why Mediterranean seniors maintain muscle mass decades longer than Americans. These tiny fish are eaten whole with soft bones, providing calcium and vitamin D that work together to trigger muscle protein synthesis. Plus, they're at the bottom of the food chain, so they contain almost no mercury unlike tuna or salmon. A 2022 study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle found that eating sardines just twice weekly increased muscle strength by 33% in adults over 65 more than any other fish tested. So how can you maximize these benefits? Buy sardines packed in water, not oil, because the oil blocks absorption of water-soluble B vitamins that your muscles need. Then mash them with a fork and spread on whole grain crackers with a squeeze of lemon exactly 2 hours before or after exercise. The preparation trick nobody talks about is that sardines must be eaten with vitamin C from lemon or tomatoes to neutralize compounds called purines that can trigger gout in sensitive individuals. But most people eat them plain and wonder why their joints hurt the next day. Imagine opening that tin with steady hands, not fumbling with the pull tab like you used to, and feeling your legs power upstairs without that burning sensation. This is what happens when your muscles get creatine and omega-3s together. Stock your pantry with 8 tins at a time because sardines are one of the only proteins that actually improve with age up to their expiration date as the bones soften and calcium becomes more bioavailable. Wild-caught Pacific sardines cost about $2 per tin, delivering more usable protein than a $15 steak that your aging digestive system struggles to break down. Sardines fuel your muscles with ocean power, but our number 1 food contains a unique protein that actually reverses age-related muscle loss at the cellular level. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Full-fat cottage cheese contains both whey and casein proteins in a 20-80 ratio that perfectly matches what aging muscles need for both immediate and sustained rebuilding, delivering 28 g of protein per cup that absorbs better than any powder or supplement. The medical mystery that doctors rarely explain is that after 60, your muscles develop insulin resistance, specifically in muscle tissue, which means protein can't enter cells properly. But cottage cheese contains natural compounds called branched-chain amino acids that bypass insulin completely and enter muscles directly. While expensive protein powders sit in your gut causing bloating, cottage cheese's naturally cultured proteins come with enzymes that pre-digest them for you, which is why it's been the secret weapon of bodybuilders for 50 years. A 2023 study in the Journal of Gerontology, Medical Sciences showed that seniors eating 1 cup of cottage cheese before bed increased their overnight muscle synthesis by 52% and woke up with measurably less muscle stiffness. To unlock these benefits, buy only full-fat cottage cheese with live cultures listed on the label. Eat it straight from the container without mixing anything that dilutes the protein concentration, and time it for either 30 minutes before bed or immediately after any physical activity. The game-changing secret that even nutritionists miss is that cottage cheese protein absorbs 300% better when your stomach is slightly acidic. So, eat a small piece of pineapple or a few strawberries 10 minutes before the cottage cheese to lower your stomach pH naturally. Most stores sell low-fat cottage cheese prominently, but the fat is essential because it contains conjugated linoleic acid, which specifically prevents muscle wasting in aging bodies while the protein builds new tissue. Picture yourself getting up from bed without grabbing the nightstand, carrying all your groceries in one trip, and playing with grandchildren on the floor without worrying about getting back up. This is the independence that proper protein timing creates. Buy the 4% milk fat version even if it costs 50 cents more because those fats carry vitamin K2 and vitamin A that activate muscle protein synthesis in ways that low-fat versions simply cannot achieve. The brutal truth is that every single day you wait to fix your protein intake, you're losing muscle mass that becomes exponentially harder to rebuild after 60. But now you know exactly which foods can stop and even reverse this process. Your muscles aren't just meat on your bones. They're your metabolic engine, your balance system, your independence insurance, and they're crying out for these specific proteins that work with your aging body, not against it. Start tomorrow morning with those 3 eggs. Pack hemp hearts for your afternoon snack, and end your day with cottage cheese. This simple routine delivers over 70 grams of bioavailable protein that your muscles can actually use. The choice you make today determines whether you're opening jars and climbing stairs with confidence next month or struggling with tasks that used to be automatic. Before you go, I have 2 questions for you. Which of these 7 foods surprised you the most? And what's the one physical task you want to be doing easily again in 30 days? We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your situation. So share your answers below. And remember, your muscles are waiting for you to feed them properly, starting with your very next meal. Thanks for watching.